Hello everyone, it's time for another math video. And tonight we are going to be looking at magical math minds, and you are going to learn the amazing rules of divisibility. So this is a lesson on divisibility rules, and let's get started. Okay, so we are starting off to see about the number 5. So what I want you to do, open your notebook in the vocabulary part and write down in the back, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends in a 0 or 5. So I want you to look at these numbers. I'm going to pull this out a little bit farther. And I want you to decide, can they be divided by 5? Yes or no. This is the no column over here. 6,225. Yes or no? What do you think? Yes, because it ends in a 5 or a 0. The next one is 1,230. Mr. Lau, can that be divided by 5? Say something.
Yes.
He's saying yes. Thumbs up, yes, because it ends in a 0. The next one, 723. Well, does it end in a 5 or a 0? No, it doesn't. So it cannot be divisible by 3. Or I'm sorry, by 5. The next one is 846. That would be a no, because it's ending in a 6. The next one, 2,963. He's shaking his head. Another no. 3,421. Nope. Ends in 1. 680. He's saying yes, it can, and I agree. And the last one, 975.
Woohoo!
Yep, that's a whoo-hoo. It can be divided by 5. Okay. So, what do we have here now? I don't know, but we already went through that, so we're just going to move on. Oh, and there they are. They're all sorted out. And we did them together, and we got them all right. Okay, all of these numbers are evenly divisible by 2. Touch the magic hat for a hint. So let's touch that. I'm touching it, nothing's happening. Oh, there we go. There are the little wand or little arrows. And there, it's pointing to the last number of each, or the last digit of each number. Notice how they all end in an even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and a 6. So I want you to open your notebook, and I want you to put a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit in the number is even. So can you sort these numbers? And I'm just going to scroll up a little bit. Divisible by 2 or not? So I want you to make a little chart. And you go through it, and then when you're done writing it down, come back and we'll go through it together. Welcome back. This first one is not divisible by 2 because it ends in a 3. This one, 5,790, yes it is. It ends in a 0. 558 ends in an 8. 10,256. 15,289. We have a 94. We have a 10,147. Not divisible because it ends in a 7. And the last one, 81. How'd you do? If you have any questions with that, just write it down and we will go through it tomorrow. The thrilling threes. A number is evenly divisible by 3. Whoopsie. If all the sums of the digit is a multiple of 3. Okay? Having a little difficulty here. But if you add up these, right here, we have 2, 0, 5, 2. If you add them up, it adds up to 9. All these numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9. And therefore 9 it can be divided by 3. So this whole number is divisible by 3. This one, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 0 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. I'm going to have you sort these out. And you can look at it real quick. There aren't any numbers, so that's, oh, there they are. So this would be 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, not divisible. This one would be 9, 10. This wouldn't be divisible. This one is 7 plus 5 is 12. This would be divisible. 13. This would be 21. It would be divisible. This one, adding them all up, is 7. Would not. This one would be 8. Would not. This would be 6. It would be. And this would be 9, and it would be. All right? So I want you, for your homework, there's not going to be any tests with this. I want you to make sure you've written everything down in the vocabulary book as far as the divisibility rules, and write down any questions that you have. And that's it for now. I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.